Hello everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kanisha. As you guys can see in the title, today I will be doing a cash unstuffing and restarting of my budget. If that is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have been going back and forth with my decision to kind of start over. I honestly feel like I have kind of lost control of my finances. I had to help out a family member, so I had to pull money from some of my envelopes here and there. I did use my emergency funds. And I'm not gonna lie, I got very discouraged. I wanted to quit, I wanted to give up, but I just decided that the best thing for me to do right now is to restart. So I will be unstuffing all of my binders, probably except for my savings challenge. And that way I can actually pay off a credit card. I'm not sure how much I really have, but if I have enough, I'm going to actually go ahead and pay off one of my credit cards, and then I will actually start over, you know. So yeah, so I just wanted to be kind of transparent there. I know some people may think it's crazy, but I think that is what's best for me for right now. I will have the rest of this year, which is 6 months, to kind of get back on track. And I think it's inflation. This inflation has been really, really killing me. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, let's get to it and see how much I have saved in my binders. First binder I am going to pull is my sinking funds. And guys, like I said, I have pulled money from everywhere. So I haven't updated the trackers at all. But yeah, guys, I think I've been seeing quite a few people restarting their budget. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it. Do you all think that is a good idea to kind of restart it? I just feel like I lost control of my finances, like really. And I want to get back on track because I don't want to give up on this, because this has been so motivational, if that is a word. The community, I love it. And without you guys, I promise I probably wouldn't have gotten so far. And I know I've gotten as far as I have because I actually do these videos. And I know that's probably the only reason why I actually stick to doing this. So I am going to carry on this little journey as well. So we'll see. I know it all will work out, you know, for the good. I just didn't want to, I really didn't want to give up and quit on this because it's helping me a lot. And I'm going to take my placeholders out for my credit card. I know I paid more than $400 down on that credit card. But I will start fresh. Hopefully I have at least $500-600 saved up already. Hopefully. So how is everything going where you guys live? How is the weather? But yeah, starting all over. And I know some of these envelopes I will probably not be stuffing anymore. I know Carson probably won't be stuffed anymore. My son and his girlfriend broke up and she came and took him, so I'm not sure if we'll ever see him again. Well, as long as they're broke up, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But y'all see how skimpy my folders are now? I took money from everywhere. Being me, trying to be that person with the big heart and help out where I can. You know, family has always been the most important thing to me, and I hate to see people in a bind. So I think for the most part, I was glad that I was able to help. This is J-Man. I'm going to set this to the side. I'm not going to add that to mine. But emptying out everything. Let's see what I have here in my bills binder. But I know this will help me kind of get ahead on some things. And give me a little cushion to start over and get everything back right. I don't think anything else is in here. I think this is all. I'm not messing with my 100 envelope savings challenge, nor am I messing with my 52-week savings challenge. Now, I did switch out my savings challenge envelope. I had this in the brown binder, but I did switch it out and put this in here. But I'm not going to mess with this binder here. And this is money for my 52-week savings challenge that I already have prepared to be stuffed for my next 4 envelopes. So I am going to leave that here. And plus I love this binder here. So I'm going to grab my business binder. Y'all, when I say I'm starting over, I am taking out everything. And I'm just going to restuff as I go. And I really didn't want to get on here and do this. But I said, hey, they have came this far with me on my journey, and we're gonna rock this until the wheels fall off. The good, the bad, the ugly, huh? But I know things will get better. They are going to get a whole lot better with my finances, because I am really determined to tackle this. And I will also look into my MoTerm. And since payday will be tomorrow, I would just go back and stuff from there. I was thinking, I was like, oh, this is supposed to be my video for my end of the month breakdown. When I go in and I'm gonna put these in my $1 savings challenge. When I go in and see how much I saved for the month, this is normally what this video is for my budget review. But things happen. Things happened as well. So we're just gonna get a fresh new start on this. No lunch money. Thirst trap is nothing. Beauty cat 10. I got sick. I had to go to the doctor, so I had to use some cash for that. And I was just like, you know what? Forget it. We just gonna start over from scratch. So that is all of those. Let's count and see what we have. Like I said, I hope I have at least $500 here. Look like I probably have more. 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 700, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 762. I hope I counted that right, but I think I got 762. Okay. So that is kind of it for this video. I will be doing a restuffing once I get a couple of other things situated within the bank. But I will come back on and restuff that. I think I am happy with that amount. I was only expecting to still have around maybe $500 still in my envelopes. I know I took out a good chunk. I know I took out I think it was close to $1,500 that I did actually take out of my binder. But it's okay. I can, like I said, I can always start over. The only thing that I was really, really sad about was using my emergency funds, because I really wanted to get to that goal by the end of the year. I still have 6 months, and I think I can probably get that $1,500 in the next 6 months. So I will be saving like crazy so I can actually make that goal. I am going to make that my business to make that goal. And continue my other savings challenges as well. But guys, you know, I appreciate you all for stopping by and watching the video. If you're still here at the end, I hope you guys understand what I am trying to do. And you guys know, don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, and also leave me a content, y'all, some motivation, what you guys think, if you guys feel like you're still doing okay on your journey. Because I think that's the number one thing about, you know, being in this community, you guys uplift us like crazy. The support is crazy. But I'm going to stop all this rambling, this chatting, and figure out what I am really going to do with these funds here. I am really going to break it down. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good day. Bye, Queenies.